international educator.
Hello everybody, and welcome to the second lesson in the physics Form 4 topic, thin lenses. This is our second lesson, and before we continue, let us go through some of the things that we talked about last week. So last week we talked about types of thin lenses, and in a nutshell, we have diverging lenses and we have converging lenses. We also talked about terms that are associated with thin lenses, and they are center of curvature, the radius of curvature, the principal axis, the optical center, the principal focus, the focal length, and the focal plane. We also talked about location of images by thin lenses using ray diagrams. And we talked about three important rays. One of them is the ray that is parallel to the principal axis is refracted to pass through the focal point. A ray that is passing through F is refracted parallel to the principal axis, and a ray that passes through the optical center is undeviated. That is for the convex lenses. For the concave lenses, we have a ray that is parallel to the principal axis would be refracted to seem to come from the focal point, and a ray that passes through the optical center will pass undeviated. And lastly, a ray that would have passed through the focal point is refracted parallel to the principal axis. Now, this week, we are going to continue with the thin lenses, and we are going to dwell on the characteristics of images that are formed by thin lenses. Then we are also going to define linear magnification, and if time allows, we are going to do a few questions. And we are also going to derive the lens formula. Characteristics of images formed by thin lenses. So an image formed by a thin lens can be described fully by three things. One is its nature. The second one is its size. And the third one is its position. So what is the nature of the image? The image can be, one, real or virtual. Remember, real images are formed by actual intersection of rays, whereas virtual images are formed by virtual intersection of rays. An image can also be either upright or inverted. Size of an image. What does that mean? The size of an image is or can be magnified. That means that it is bigger than the object. The image can also be same size, or the image may be diminished, meaning that it is smaller than the object. What about the position of the image? The position of the image is the distance the image is located from the optical center of the lens, either on the same side or behind the lens.